Taking my tours throughout the international trade shows takes me now to Switzerland. At Lucerne Lake we are having Additive Manufacturing Expo, a trade show regarding all kinds of additive manufacturing as called 3D printing. Scouting these areas means trying out to find new collaborational aspects for the companies I do represent in terms of production methods and ways. There is sintering methods that work on metal-based powder, and there is fused deposition molding parts in plastic printing. And here at Lucerne at AMX there is a whole lot of market participants that know exactly how to compete and how to get things accomplished. Being a partner to this trade show ever since trade show number 1 lets me experience quite a few new developments. There is Swiss Engineering Group, a group of experts that is working close to each other. There's Inspire Group, advanced product development, and all kinds of partners that are doing the great job getting the market development. My name is Harry Flint, and I do travel markets for my customers, being their brand activator. I keep telling stories, working myself around and finding out about that. There's so many people around that need to be covered. Injection molding in 3D print is also something that you have to discuss and cover as long as you talk additive manufacturing, because these two technologies, they merge. They merge together, finding their ways into the industrial facilities of any kind of manufacturer. And I've been thinking of so many partners, innovation boosters here at this end, all friends of mine on international markets like this one. Have a great look at this race car that has been mostly 3D printed, supported by a company I've been cooperating with for a few years now. Ceramic is a company working itself through high techs, and these racers are some novelty as we can tell. What's your name and what are you here for?
I am Daniel and I'm here together with Odin from AMX Racing, and basically we're a formal student team that we build cars like this with other teams, and then we compete against them with at different events, for example in Germany or in Switzerland, and also in other countries all over the world. Here we're together with Ceramic, our sponsor, who help us with producing all of our 3D printed aluminium parts. Yes, and now also an older car of ours which we rebuilt for a special record which we got basically yesterday. We got it approved with the fastest accelerating car from EV car from 0 to 100 and under a second practically, so 0.92 seconds, 996 seconds it takes for a car like that to accelerate to 100 kilometers per hour.
And you can tell these people tell their true stories. The students all over here, they have been working, collaborating with the industrials in order to get their stories across. Let me meet CEO of Ceramic, Martin Hofer, who is right around this race car. He has been my friend for the past months. And Martin, what does this all turn out about, featuring and sponsoring a race car like this?